Hello, this is Victor at throttle. This video is for Brandy in Illinois, and this is the 95 S420 ASR throttle actuator, throttle body. Okay, Brandy, so this unit has been energized for quite a long time, actually over a day, so I want to make sure everything is good with it. And it was actually pretty nice internally, but you know, I just had to clean it all off nicely and all that. So the unit is on the bench. I just came to the workshop, so I'm going to assemble it. I'm going to double check, fix the connector, and that's it. It's going to be ready to go. Okay, so first thing before I flip it, there was some scratches over here. I guess that happened during removal, so I sent them down, but I can't do too much because you don't want to disturb the surfaces too much, because these are polished. Not a huge deal though, but still. So I did that. Let's see, let me show you the temperature, if I may. So it's been pretty cold overnight, and now the unit can only reach to like 99 degrees, which is actually still pretty warm. For comparison, cold unit, as you can see, sits at 55. So that's pretty good spread over here. So you can tell that this unit has been working for a long time to reach this temperature, just to show that the unit was indeed energized overnight, and it still works just fine. Now again, I'm going to assemble it all back, open it and close it back, and then fix the connector and lubricate the last gear that I need to lubricate. So this is the bottom of the unit. As you can see, it looks pretty good, the side and all. Obviously certain spots, like deep in there, they don't really clean off well, so but that's minor, that's not really something of a huge concern. So here is the activation. Throttle very smooth. The gear is not secure, so it's a little louder than usual, but that's fine. Once I secure it back inside, then lubricate it, it'll be just perfect. The plate was rearranged, so it's not binding anymore. It's touching on top. Now it's not, so now it's nice and smooth. The unit works very nicely. And the last thing is our readings. So let's take a look at our readings. If you see some of my videos, I show readings of units, so you can compare yours to the others, and yours sits right in line with all the others. So we have potentiometer 4.24, 0.47. That's exactly where they all register with this particular control module that I'm using to test them. Micro switches on-off positioning, that's also proper. So when we open the throttle, micro switches change their positioning, and voltages also change on both potentiometers. So that means that throttle is working fine. Everything is tracking right. Voltages are proper, micro switches work. So this is wide open throttle. This is about where you want voltages to be. So obviously there is a little delay before it reads, but you see, you get the idea. Don't mind those things jumping around, they always do. It's just a software limitation. See, once the reading corrected, then these came back to normal readings. This is idle position. So this is basically what I wanted to make a video of, and right now I'm going to get the unit all finished, so it will be ready for mailing, as I'm going to post office to mail another unit as well, so I can also mail yours with it. So throttle linkage is very smooth, no binding, no sticking, very nice and smooth. So I don't have problem with this unit anymore. Wires were bad though, yes, that's no question about it. But other than that, this seemed to be a good working unit now. Alright, so this is going to be all. This is Victor at throttle. Thank you for watching.